Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the Moomoo trading app on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the Moomoo trading app on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to go to the official website of Moomoo, since that's where we can download their app. So just search moomoo.com on your search bar. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download their Moomoo app on this website, just click this download button at the top. And after clicking it, you will now see two download options right here. The first one is for the mobile phone version of Moomoo app, and the second is for the desktop or PC version of the app. But since this video is about how to download it on PC or laptop, this is what we should select. And after that, there it is guys, your Moomoo app will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, Moomoo will show you the location where the app's installation files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click browse and then set it to the folder where you want to save it. But if you're already fine with the location, just click install. And then there you go guys, your Moomoo app will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. You will know that it's finished once this reaches 100%. And once the installation is finished, just click the open button. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your Moomoo app. So just log in or create your account and then you will be able to use it. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.